Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I am making a cherry cake. This recipe is very easy. It only has 3 ingredients. It is a perfect cake to make for the holidays, especially if unexpected guests are coming over and you need to make a cake quickly. I have a medium-sized bowl, and to this bowl I'm going to add 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and the last item is 1 cup of cherry pie filling. And this is the 3 ingredients. But now we're only going to give this a good stir and combine it. It's almost complete, and you could see how festive it looks. Because of the cherries, it's turning red. You can see the red cherries. And it's a very festive color for Christmas. It's all done now. I'm going to take my vintage 8x8 pan that I buttered, and I'm going to put the batter into the pan. And you can see the nice color. I want to get all of the batter scraped from the bowl if I can, as much as I can. Now I'll even it out. Try to make it all even. And now I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about a half an hour. I just took the cherry cake out of the oven, and it took a half an hour to bake it. I cut a piece of the cherry cake for Grandpa to taste, and now I'm going to add some whipped cream to the top. And I have some green sprinkles. So I'm going to put some green sprinkles on to make it a very festive cake. So this is nice and festive for the holidays. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. It looks very festive with all its colors on it. Tastes delicious, Ma. Nice and moist. Got the nice cherry inside of it. The bits of cherries. The whipped cream and the green on it. Tastes good. You did a good job, Ma.
Glad you're enjoying it.